morning, everyone! The sun is rising! Come on, my little ones, let's go explore the yard.
Okay, Mama.
That's it, stay close now.
Cheep, cheep. Good morning, Mama.
Wow, the village is so beautiful.
Look, I found a tiny grain. Cheep, cheep. I found one too.
Chicks, follow me! I found some tasty treats.
Yay, food.
That's it, little ones. Eat up and grow strong.
Mama, Mama.
I'm here, my dears. Let's eat food.
Yay, food. Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome, my little ones.
Wow, butterflies.
Where is my little chick? Where's my little chick?
There you are.
Playing with butterflies.
Hi, Mama.
There you are! Never go far alone.
Sorry, Papa. I just wanted to see the butterflies.
Our family stays together and keeps each other safe.
We love our family. Mother hen, father cock, and chick siblings.